So what's up YouTube, it's Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about FASTBULL. FASTBULL.com. FASTBULL is the best platform, guys. It's one of the best. I've started using that platform just to do my analysis because it has a lot of benefits. It is an economic calendar. It has an AI signals, and it has a lot of benefits, guys. Just watch the whole video to get all the information so that you can understand how the app works. So guys, if you don't understand if you didn't get the point or all the benefits that I'm going to highlight in this video, you can drop a comment in the comment section so that next time when I upload a new video, when I post a new video about this FASTBULL, I will answer all your questions. You can drop all the questions that you have. All the questions that you have, guys, you can drop them in the comment section so that next time when I upload a new video, because I will be releasing a video about how I use that strategy, how I use that AI signals or the correlation or the market trend, guys. There's a lot of benefits on this app, guys. So watch the whole video, like the video. If you find any value in this video, comment on the subscribe and turn on the bell notification, guys. So guys, let's get into the website so that I can give you all the information that you need about this FASTBULL, guys. So Chrome, as you can see. So okay, all you have to do is just type in fastbull.com. Okay, as you can see now on the screen, we are at the website of fastbull.com, as you can see here. So now, okay, while the thing is loading, let me just quickly, let's just wait a bit while the thing is loading because my internet is a bit slow. So yeah, okay guys, as you can see, we are on the website of FASTBULL, as you can see here. Now, what are the most important things that we have to focus on? Because there are some issues, there are some certain stuff that you don't have to pay attention to them, so you don't need to waste time on them. So but okay, let me just quickly, the first thing that you have to check here is if you want to join, you can join for free, guys. You just click here and then you sign up with them for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything to use this platform, guys. It's one of the best platforms currently, and I think in future, if they continue like this, they will end up overtaking Forex Factory as the best platforms to trade fundamentals. So okay, the first thing is now, okay, let's just quickly go to over to the first thing that we have to focus on. The first thing is economic calendar, guys. They have the economic calendar, guys, that you have to follow. If there's certain news that you know, okay, you want to check the news or you want to read the upcoming news events, you just click here and then you check. As you can see here, guys, at 23:30 you will see we have New Zealand business PSI. This one is it's not a high impact. As you can see here, you can check the time. You see 23:30 and the next one is 23:45. Okay, but now let's look at the impact. This is the impact, guys. So now as you can see here, if the impact is 3, it means that okay, the news will be highly volatile, guys. If the impact is 2, then you can just check the stars here. As you can see the color of the stars. This here, you can see that okay, it's only 1 star which is yellow, meaning that it's a low impact expected. If it's 2, it's a medium impact expected. If the stars are all yellow, then that means the news will be highly volatile, guys. So now check here again. The actual one, it's the one that comes out. The forecast one is the one that is forecast. That is that they like. Okay, let me say this is the one that they predict, guys. This is the one that they predict. And the previous one, as you can see here, the previous one is the one that happened long time. It's the one that happened long time. And the impact also, you can check the impact, calculate the probability of certain asset price going up or down driven by key economic data released based on historical data, guys. So this is all what you have to know at the economic calendar, guys. Now let's look at you can also check out brokers, guys. You can also check out brokers, IB seminars, fund spot and awards and all that, but I'm not interested in that. So now let me just quickly go to data, guys. The most important one is data, guys. Let's go to data now. Check here, guys. As you can see here, macro indicators, newly released economic data. You can check here, guys. US CPI, guys. The latest previous release time. Everything, guys, is here. Everything is here, guys, on this app, and it's more clear than Forex Factory, guys. I think this will be the best platforms to trade fundamentals, guys. So now we are only now on data, as you can see here, Eurozone, US unemployment rate, which will be coming up. Uh, this one already passed. Oh, this one already passed, so it's not. We, we don't have to concern ourselves with this one. So, but for now, this one is just to show you what can you find on this data, guys. You can also click here to market trend. What do you do here now? You come to correlation, guys. So I'll create a new video. I'll create a full detailed video explaining the correlation parts of this part of FASTBULL uh, platform, guys. So this will be a full, as you can see, I'll create a new video regarding this correlation, guys. You can also find where the correlation of the pairs, guys. If you want to check the positive correlation of AUD USD, pairs that have a positive correlation with the USD, AUD USD, then you check here, guys. As you can see here, AUD USD has a positive correlation with NZD USD, as you can see here at the percentage, guys. This one is 100%. So now check here, 81, 96, 98, 96, 98, 95, as you can see here. Now here are the time frames, guys. I'll go later in details. I'll create a new video about talking about this correlation, how to use this correlation of this FASTBULL platform. But for now, let's check here. These are the samples. These are the pair. Now this is the pair that you want to check. You can click on Euro USD also if you want to change it and check the negative and positive correlation of the pair. Now this red one is a positive correlation of this pair. It shows that okay, this pair is selling, guys. It shows that this pair is selling, as you can see here, this red one. But if it shows the blue one or the green one, it shows that the pair is buying, guys. The pair is buying, guys. So I hope you all understand now on this. These are the samples, guys. These are the samples that you have to check. But for now, we go to the next one. Let me just quickly go to data now. Institutional data. You can also click on that one if you want to check. And okay, now speculative sentiment. Let me just quickly go to speculative sentiment. If there's anything that you can check, these are just the market sentiment, guys. These are the market sentiment. I'll also create a video explaining this speculative sentiment, guys. As you can see here are the pairs: bullish, average, bearish. Now the difference here is if it's red like this, it's bearish. If it's blue, green like this, it's bullish. Now, as you can see on gold here, gold is consolidating. As we have seen here, is what are they saying here is gold is consolidating. Why? Because this thing is in the middle, 49 and 50. So this pair is not trending. This pair is not trending. It's consolidating. But I'll go in details, man. I'll create a new video explaining this speculative and the what else, the market trend, the correlation of the pairs. But for now, as you can see here, Euro USD, what are they saying here now is that okay, 80% of the majority of the people that are in the market, they are bullish. On the other side, they are bearish, guys. So these are the things that you have to check, guys. These are the most important things on this platform, guys. Now let's go to the next one. The other one is now okay. The news. If you want to check the news, if you want also to be updated, if you want to be updated with the news, you can just click here and then you can check. As you can see here now, guys, these are the news, guys. These are the news. If you want to read news, that is where you can go, or you can just go to the trending topics and about daily news, remarks on officials or central bank and forex. You can read any news, guys, that you want here. You can find all the news here. You can definitely find all the news that you want about certain pairs or economies, all the economies, how are they doing and stuff like that. If you want also to hear about gold, news about gold, here you can find the news about gold. But for now, let's quickly go to the other one, which is AI signals, guys. AI signals. This is the most important thing about this FASTBULL platform, guys. This is the most important one. If you know that you don't have time to do your analysis on your own, you can just get the signals here. Now, how do you get the signals here? You click now, you check now. Okay, this guy is a gold reaper. He is the one that provides signals about gold. So, okay, now what do you do now? What do you do? So you just click here and it will give you the details, guys. So far this guy has sent 265 signals and he has subscribers, 11.5k subscribers that are already following him. So now let's just quickly go down. Now, okay, check here again. Here are the signals that he sent. The TP and the SL and all that. See, okay, now let's look at his ranking. His ranking, it's 5. PNL, it's plus 914. Signals 265. As I said, his win rate is 64.09%. His PL ratio is 0.49, guys. It's good, guys. So you can obviously see that, okay, this one is good. This one is a good signal provider. So now let's go quickly to check another one. Let's quickly go and check another. Okay, you can just go check. There is also random trading strategy. He also give signals, and we also have all these people that are giving signals here. You can check, guys. You can check what these people that you can choose for yourself which one to follow now. But the gold reaper is the one that I found interesting. Is the one that is having a higher profit. So his profits, I mean, he is the one that I find interesting on these platforms, because he has a big following and he also provides signals on daily basis, and also his win rate is good, guys. As you can see here, his win rate is good, guys. So yeah, okay, now this is all we have on this platform, guys. But now you can also check analysis, guys. You can also check the analysis of these platforms if you want to check the analysis. There are also people that are analyzing the market on this one. So these are the FX daily. From the Fed dependence, US retail sales add juice to the dollar rally. So these are just analysis about this about the economics, guys, about the economics, how are they doing and stuff like that. If you want to check out the brokers and others, that is your own, with your own time. I'm just trying to make this video short. So guys, if you find anything valuable in this video, guys, the only thing that you can do for me is by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, sharing the video, commenting down below what do you think, or where you don't understand, guys. Drop the comment in the video in the comment section, telling me what else do you want to know about this platform, where you don't understand, so that I can, next time when I create a video about this FASTBULL, I'll be answering all the questions that you drop in the comment section, guys. So guys, as I said, I don't do anything, I don't sell forex. Fact, I don't sell anything in the forex space. I don't do mentorship, I don't do account management, and I don't sell forex courses, guys. The only thing that you can do for me, just by liking the video, sharing the video, subscribing down, so that I can so that it can grow my YouTube channel, guys. So that's all we have now, guys. Bye.